Welcome to our application GenPaps, AI powered teaching tool, and today I will show how to generate a question paper with the help of AI. Okay, you can see that there is two panels. One is on the left side, and another one is on the right side. Okay, left side panels will give you the controls settings to customize your question papers, and the right side window it will show the preview of your question papers, which you will print it in a PDF format, or you can save it in your history. Okay, so we'll go through the panel which is on the left side. Okay, the first option is paper templates. This paper templates is when you create question papers with the help of AI, and where you add your schools, institution, coaching, college logo. Okay, and then you set your font type, font size, and watermark. Okay, so inside watermark also there is a control to customize watermark. You can use watermark in two types. Either you can use text version, or else you can upload your images. Okay, and then next is to show your college, coaching center, institute name on the question paper on the top. Okay, and then you can show if there is a multiple pages in PDF file, or means in question paper, then you can show the PTO mark. Please turn out in the footer. Okay, on the each page, and the last page you can just ignore it, or if you don't want to put the PTO marker as a footer, none of your any pages, so you can just ignore it. You can just switch off the toggle button. This is a toggle on and toggle off button. Okay, this is toggle on, this is toggle off button. Okay, so now I'm going to switch on the toggle button so that I can show you on live how it is working now. So let me hide first this one, not needed now. Okay, so first time when you create a question paper and set all those control and setting, and the next time if you don't want to repeat the same, you want same settings should be appear on the question paper what you are going to create next time. Okay, uh, third time, fourth time, fifth time, so that time you can use the saved template. Okay, now here I'm not getting any list of template. Why? Because as of now we have not set up this. Okay, while you create your question for first time, you can save the setting as a template, so the next time you can reuse it. No need to go and set all those setting from starting. Okay, and the next one is you can upload your school, institution, college, or any academic organization's logo. Okay, which will be put on your question paper, which will show your brand name, brand. Okay, and then next thing is here, this is the main things. Here you can give any academic subject topic for which you want to generate the question paper. Okay, the AI will generate the question paper easily. So by default it is showing that the solar system. What we will do, we will remove it. Okay, and we will give our topic, for example, the pollution. Okay, the pollution, And the next thing is we have to choose the question type. Okay, either we want to create fully subjective or fully objective multiple choice questions. We want to create only fill in the blanks. We want to create only true false question type, or we want to generate only match the following type question papers. It is up to you which one you need. Okay, so suppose I am going to create now objective question paper, so I will select objective. The next one is difficulty level, whether you want to create the question paper very easy as a medium level, or else you can create it as harder. Okay, so based on your needs you can select the difficulty level. Okay, the next is number of questions. As of now we allow only 20 questions to create a question paper. Okay, so maximum 20 questions you can put in a question paper. In upcoming days we may increase, you will get notified so that you can create as much as you want, but as of now we have added a function to allow only 20 questions. Okay, so since this is a demo session, I just want to get only 5 questions. Okay, the next thing is Bloom's taxonomy settings advanced. This is a very good thing. If you are going to create 5 question paper, you can divide all the 5 questions in between taxonomy settings. Okay, if you are going to create 10 questions, if you are going to create 20 questions, you can just divide these all 6 category in your question. Okay, this is very important things. Okay, and the next one is show answer. If you are going to create a question paper just for exam test, obviously you have to hide the answers. Okay, there is no sense to show the answers. Okay, if you want to create a question paper for your students preparation purpose, then you can show the answer and you can distribute the question paper in between your students so that they can get the reference. Okay, next one is OMR sheet setting. So OMR sheet setting, you can either add a starting of the question paper or end of the question paper. So when you will switch on the toggle button, it will ask whether you want to put on the start of paper or end of the paper. Okay, so my recommendation is whenever you want to create OMR sheet, use end of the paper. Okay, if you put start of the papers, okay, so it will not good, because while you printing the question paper, uh, a number of papers may be unused and it will be unnecessary, it will be wasted. Okay, so I'm good. See, here to put OMR sheet uh, start of the paper or end of paper. Okay, since many you might have seen that in many examination halls we see that the OMR sheet will be on the starting page only. Okay, when we get the question paper sets on the top, on the first page, it will be start of the paper. So as per your needs, you can put on start of paper or end of paper. But my recommendation is, if you are going to give question paper separately and OMR sheet separately, okay, then you should put OMR sheet at the end of the paper while you are printing the question paper. Okay, in printing shop. But if you are going to distribute the question papers and OMR sheet simultaneously, then it is better to put OMR sheet at the starting of the paper. Okay, fine. So I will put the OMR sheet at the starting of the paper. Okay. Next one is typography. It will give the option to select a font family, means type of the fonts you want to use inside your question paper. And next one is font size. So as of now, I have added this much fonts. This much fonts are enough to make a good question papers. In future, or if you request us, we will add more and more. But as of now, we have added only this much. In upcoming days, we may add more. Okay. Next one is watermark. Watermark, as I told you earlier, that you can use watermark in two types. Either you can use in text version or you can use in image version. In text version, while using text version, you can write your brand name here, or while using image, it will give you an option to upload the images. Images in the sense you have to upload your logo or any watermark images. Okay. And next one is this. You can see that there is a 33639 nine square boxes are there. This will help you to put your watermark at the right position. If you want to put in center, you can use center. If right, you can use right. If you want to put left, you can put left, top, bottom. It is up to you. Okay. So suppose if you have a long text in your brand name, then I think so you can use only top, bottom, uh, left, center and right. If you have only shorter length of text in your brand name, then you can use this corner also. Okay. The next one is rotation. You can rotate your watermark inside your question paper as per needs, and you can show. Okay. Then obesity, then font size, the text. See, font size will be usable only for text version watermark. But when you upload your logo or brand or any image version for your watermark, that time font size is not needed. That's why it will not show. Okay. Next is, as I told you, institute name. If you don't want to show your institute name, just switch off the toggle button. Okay, and put your mark as I told you earlier. You can put it on the footer on every page. Okay, if you there's multiple pages in your question papers in the PDF. Okay, and the next one, suppose why it is showing question mark here, confidential. Why? Because the default watermark name I shows here confidential, so I will just use I have given AI question paper builder. Okay, and we can see that later. So what we'll do, we'll just reduce the text so that it will not overflow out of the page. I'll put just 60. Okay, you can control font size. Otherwise, if you give more font size, then the text version of your watermark, it will overflow out of the page. So just better use the font size and check whether it is looking good or not. Okay, now what I will do, since already I have given topic name the pollution, I will hit the generate paper button. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm the credits. Basically, whatever feature you will use on this application, every feature will have their assigned credits. So you have to utilize the feature, the credits, under the credits you will assigned. Okay, under the credits you will be assigned. So what I will do, it is asking me that confirm action, this action AI question per generation will use 10 of your monthly credits. So if you are going to avail basic plan, premium plan or extended plan, you will get different credits bucket. Okay, bucket, that means if you take the basic plan, you will get 500 credits. If you are going to take extended plan, you will get 1200 credits, and if you are going to avail premium plan, you will get 2200 credits. So what the credits are going assigned to you, you have to utilize the service within those credits. Okay, if you run out of the credits, then you can buy extra credit from us so that you can use it in your work. Okay, but the credit will be reset only automatically when you will subscribe next month plan. So credits can be reset from our side only after 30 days. Okay, in between, if you run out of your credits, you have to buy the credit from us to complete your work. So I'm going to confirm and proceed. So you can see that it's generated. So now we can see that it is showing we have already generated our 5 question papers, and I think watermark is not positioning correctly. So what we will do, we will control it from watermark section. Okay, so you have seen that uh, we have set the control incorrectly. So what we'll do, since it's a long text version, so we'll put it in center. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, it's positioning correctly, and don't worry about watermark will show on every page. Okay, if you have multiple page in your question paper, it will show on all the pages. If you have only single page, it will show on single page. Okay, now we can see that our question paper has been generated, and as I told you, left side it will show question paper preview window, so we can see the question papers what we have generated just now, and we will check it. Okay, and since we have created question paper for objective type question, so we have questions and there are 4 options. Okay, and since we have switch on the show answers button, that is why it is showing answer on the question paper. It is up to you. If you want to make this question paper for test purpose or examination purpose, definitely you have to switch off the show answers button. Okay, I have switched off. Now you can see that there is no answer inside question papers. Okay, on the question paper you can edit everything. You can edit main headings, then topic names, or you can put it here subject name. You can edit duration, start time, class name, date. Date either you can write or you can select from the calendar. Okay, maximum marks. See, maximum mark here you can not edit. Once you will change the marks here, it will be calculated and added here automatically. Suppose now it is showing that 25. So we have 5 questions where each question is having 5 marks. So 5 into 5, it is showing 25. So now to show you how it is working, I will just change the marks of first question paper. What we will do, I will put it here 10. So now you can see that it is showing 30. Why 30? 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, so now if you want to go back and to put the same 5 marks, now it will calculate as 25 and it will show 25. So here you can't edit. If you want to edit marking, you just go to edit marks of each question. Okay, and whenever we give our cursor of the mouse on any question paper, you can see that there is showing some green wallet or some icons. Okay, say version icon or some wallet icons. Okay, this is the also a good feature. If you want to save particular questions with 4 options in your question bank, you can use this option, so that next time when you go inside your question bank, okay, it will be there. So suppose I'm going to save first question, so I will click this green icon. What is asking me? Tags. Give some tags which you will need to put, okay, as per your preference. I will just put test. Okay, you can put multiple tags, quiz, so that it will help you to filter the particular questions when you have many questions in your question bank. Okay, now what I will do, I will save the question. It is on that question saved to your bank. So what I will do, I will go to the question bank option here. Now you can see that our first questions was saved here. So next time, if you want to utilize this question in your question papers, that time you won't need help of AI and your credits will not decrease. So to save credits, you should save question papers either in question bank, or you can see in question bank you have to save the question one by one, okay, so that you can utilize next time. Okay, or if you want to save the whole question paper, you can see that there is a uh, 1 2 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 10 controls above the question paper preview window. We have 10 controls above the question paper preview window, and we can see that there is an option save, and below this save button there is one more button, PDF. So don't confuse about save and PDF. See, this save button will save your generated question paper in your history, so that next time you can use the same question paper to overcome for the credits decrement. Okay, so if you use, see, every time if you're going to use AI, definitely it will decrease the credits. If you utilize these saved question papers, So AI will not interfere here, and your credits will be as it. Okay. So what I will do, I will click on this button, save. So paper saved to your GenPaps history. So where you will see your history, go to your profile icon. There is a profile icon on the top most right side corner. You need to click on that, and you will find that the second option is my history. See the pollution just now I have created. See the date is 2/1/2026 and the 5 questions. So once you will click on load, it will be loaded there automatically, and you can just print question papers. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, so I told you that there are two buttons, save and PDF. Save is used to save your question paper in your history. Okay, and PDF is used to print the generated question paper in PDF file, so that you can take it and you can use it in your printing machine, or you can go to printing shop to print the question papers. Okay, so I will show you how this button will work. I will click on the PDF button. So now you can see that it's creating the PDF file. Okay, I will save it here and I will open. So what I told you, see, there is a drawback to use OMR sheet at the uh, starting of the paper. There is a waste of paper. There is a waste of paper. See, second page is wasting a lot of space. Okay, and our question paper is starting from third page. Okay, and what we will do, we will go back, and we will choose the position end of the paper. Okay, now we will check. Okay, again we will print it. Okay, GenPaps. So now we can see that the first page is showing our main questions, and second page is showing that OMR sheet. So there is no unnecessary page. Okay, so OMR sheet is showing on the single page, and while taking exam in the examination hall or test in your classroom, you just print question paper separately and OMR sheet separately and give to your students. Okay, if you are going to create 50 to 60 questions, then also OMR sheet will have only one page, single page. Okay, and we have also one more options, OMR validator. So since we have already created OMR sheet, so when your students will finish either examination and fill the OMR sheet, you can take all the filled OMR sheet and you can upload here. Okay, what AI will do, AI will analyze all the OMR sheet, and they will calculate the correct means they will analyze, they will perform the validator functions, and then they will prepare dashboard. In the dashboard, it will they will means AI will show all the students performance in the ascending orders or descending orders. Okay, uh, the students, those who will get the more marks, they will be put on the top, and then so the students who will get the less mark, they will put on the bottom, so that they can you can see that which students has got more marks. Okay, which students is on the top, it will show in the view result, and you can print those reports in PDF. Again, you can share it in student groups, or you can print on the wall, whatever it is, up to you. Okay, but before that, for every examination you have to give the information here. Okay, AI cannot understand. See, once you'll upload the Omar sheet page here, AI can't track your question papers, right? So you just need to give the instruction, a question number, which option is correct, put the corrected option, and then put marks. For every question you have to follow this format. Then AI will understand that, okay, for this question, this field bubble is correct, this field bubble is incorrect. As per that, they will validate and they will prepare the dashboard. Okay, so since we will not go in the deep, because we will have another session specifically for only Omar sheet validator. So that time I will show you the live example. Now since we are going to show now question papers generation, so we'll focus on question paper only. Okay, and there is a lot of controls above the question paper preview window. So there is a first control is share. See, this share button is also very important. If you want to share your generated question paper with your colleagues who is also using this application, or another teacher or tutor, those who also using this application, you can share your generated question paper with them, and so that they can also use your question paper in their system. It is up to you whether you want to give the permission to edit, so that they will be able to edit. If you give the permission to only view, they will able to only view the question papers. So it is up to you. Okay, so once you will put that teachers or respective teachers email ID and invite, immediately that teacher will get your question papers information, okay, in their shared with me page. So this page will show the question papers shared by other teacher to you. Okay, okay, so why it is showing a blank screen now? Because no one has shared a question paper to me. Okay, and the second thing is classroom. This is a Google Classroom. So if you are on the Google Classroom, you can create a question paper and you can share in your Google Classroom as the materials. Okay, there also you can view it and then save it. Then third one is save to Google Drive. You can save this question paper in your Google Drive. Okay, next one is online test. There are two things, there are the two features on this application: online test and quiz on demand. Online test you can use when you create a question paper and you want to put same questions in the online test, then you can use this online test. And one more option we have, let me show you. We have quiz on demand. This one is different. See, in this feature we will just give a topic name from any subjects for any classes, and AI will generate all the questions, answers, suggestions, everything. You won't do anything. Okay, but here if you want to create a test from your own generated question papers, then you will use this option, online test. Okay, we'll just click on this and it is saying that this will convert your current paper into an online test. Only objective and true false question paper will be included, and you can set the settings as per your customization. You can customize it. You can put the you okay, you can put duration, password. If you want to put password, the students, those who knows your password, only they can able to give the test. Okay, if you are not giving password option here, then anybody can use those who are having this test links. Okay, and we have more control here. You can put your coaching name, your school name, your institute name to be shown on the certificate. So, and if you are going to put password here, definitely you need to put here expiry date. Okay, and create test. So when you create test or create a quiz on demand, immediately you will get one link. That link you have to share with the students, and the students can give exam on any device, but internet should be there. They can give the exam on their tablet, mobile phones, or laptop, desktop, on any device, but there should be internet. While they will finish exam, you can see all the students performance in your system. There is one more button, one more option we have, result dashboard. So we have two things, online tests and quiz on demand. So when you take online test from your generated question papers, their result it will show separately, and when you announce quiz on demand or organized, so their result it will show here separately. Okay, and the quiz on demand and online test, these tools are very interactive and means uh, it having a advanced feature. So when students will start the test or quiz, they will walk through all the questions. Okay, they will attend, and if they get fail to obtain passing marks, then they will not get the certificate. If they want to get the certificate, they have to pass the test. Okay, while giving test, if they give wrong answers, then AI will suggest this answer is correct, and why this answer is correct, AI will provide you the explanation. Okay, so this is the AI builder. Okay, and if you want to put your own questions in the generated questions with the help of AI, suppose you have generated 5 questions with the help of AI, and other 5 questions, 10 questions you can create by yourself. You can use manual builder. So you can see that the question paper you have already generated, that is also here, and then you can add the question paper here. Okay, uh, if we are going to select subjective, you can put subjective question here, and this is a very rich text editor. You can use all the options. Okay, even you can put the formulas. See, while putting a formula in the question papers, it's a very difficult. You cannot type through keyboard either in mobile, tablet, or desktop, laptop. Okay, it is very difficult. You cannot type. There's no options. Okay, the things is you can use this feature, formula assistant. You can type any mathematical, physics, chemical formula here with the help of AI, with the help of KTeX. If you know the, see, there is a command for each formula in the KTeX. If you know the KTeX, if you have fully control over KTeX, you can use the command here. Okay, it's a very let me show you one more. Okay, this option FX. Okay, so you can use the command directly here. If you don't know, okay, the command, you can type that formula in your natural language. Okay, uh, suppose I am going to type sine squared theta here. Okay, and you can find it. Even sine square theta you cannot type with the help of keyboard, either in mobile or tablet or in desktop. See, this is the actual command. What we'll do, we'll just insert. See, it came sine square theta plus cos the theta. It's the same showing as mathematical format. Okay, so we'll delete it. So we have command option, we can write in your natural language, or the third one is a very important options. Uh, you can write any mathematical formula on the page, on the paper, piece of paper. You just write on the piece of paper in a very clear visualization. You just take the screenshot and you can upload here. Okay, so it will generate the formula automatically. It's a very easy, and then you can use the formula in your question paper. Okay, here you can, again you can subject, question type, you can put the marks, everything here. So manual builder was built especially for your own manual questions. Okay, and the controls, it will work same as it is working inside the AI builder. It will work same here also. Okay, you can utilize here. Okay, the difference is AI builder, in AI builder you will get only one option on each question, on each questions, save to question bank. But when you will come inside the manual builder, you will have, see, four options on each questions. You can use save to bank option, you can generate variation. Suppose the questions generated by AI you don't like, you want another version, you want AI should give another version of this question, you just click this one. It will ask you whether you want easier, make harder. Since now this question is in objective format, do you want subjective format? Okay, suppose if it is their subjective format, it will ask you whether do you want in objective format. It is up to you. Okay, so some, if we feel this question is very easy, then we'll ask to AI to generate harder question. So we'll click on make harder. It is asking me this section AI question variation will use 3 of your monthly case. So I told you whatever feature you are going to use on our application, it will deduct the credit. Okay, we'll click on confirm and proceed. So it's processing, we'll check. Okay, now you can see that the question number first changed. Since you have given your request in harder version, so AI has generated in harder version, and even they have generated 4 options also. Okay, suppose this question, if you want to edit in your language, just click this pencil icon. So here you can edit it. Okay, even you can change the correct answers. See, you can change the type of the, means options of the answers. Okay, as per your needs, and any one bubble you have to choose which is the correct answers. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so now, and all the controls we have already explained in, okay, no, we have one more, two more controls. Okay, see here there is again show answers. It is same as what we have explained in our AI question paper builder. And next one is show section controls. You might have seen that in examination we have some questions for objective, some questions for subjective, some question for fill in the blanks, some question for match of the following. Okay, so what we do, if you want to create a question paper as per section wise, you will use this option. So this option, okay, and suppose uh, we want to put here section A, and then you will put the instruction, kindly give answer of any 5 questions. You can write as instruction, you can write as instruction like all the questions are compulsory, okay, as per that. Then you can create the question per instruction wise. Okay, so now I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, I deleted. And if you don't want to plus section button in your questions, so we just switch off the toggle button. Okay, other controls are same what we have already explained in our AI question paper builder. So I think I have gone through all of the options for the AI builder and menu builder. So we are uploading this recording video in our YouTube, and also we'll upload the video inside our blogs. Okay, so now it is not there, but once you will see in your device, it will show. Since I'm just recording it now, I have not yet uploaded, so that's why it's not showing here. Once I will finish this session, I will upload this video in on the YouTube, then it will show here, so you can get the video version and you can see how we can use AI builder and manual builder. Okay, so thank you so much.